Friends, today we're going to see how to make taro steam layered cake. It's sweet, soft, with the creamy coconut creamy. It's so delightful. Friends, this cake we made from taro. Taro is one of the root vegetable and having high nutritious benefit. So today I just want to share this recipe with you all. So welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, this taro cake is so delicious. It's sweet and the bottom layer is little bit mild flavor, and but this creamy coconut is so good. So let's see what you need for this recipe. So I divided this recipe for two layers, or it's a bottom and a upper layer. So for bottom layer, all you need is a rice flour, tapioca flour, 1 cup water, half cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 1 cup steamed taro. And the second layer, or the upper layer, all you need a half cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon corn flour, half cup sugar, 1 cup coconut milk. So today I used the low fat coconut milk. If you have the whole fat coconut milk, you can always use half cup water, half cup coconut milk, and then 1 egg. So friend, now I'm just steam the taro root in about 10 minutes. It's soft and tender, so we keep it ready and cool for some time. Meanwhile, I just oil the pan so for the steaming. So we need to ready the steaming pot, so we keep it ready before we begin this steps. So first I just add 1 cup of water and half cup coconut milk. So again friend, this is coconut milk, is very low fat, so we're going to add all that dry ingredient. It's a rice flour, tapioca flour, sugar, salt. So we just mix until we get the smooth batter. So this is so easy, we no need to have any proportion or beating steps. So now I'm just add that steamed taro pieces, and we're going to fill up the steaming dish. It's always preferable a safe steaming dish, so either you have the glass container or the metal container. So we're going to steam this cake for 25 minutes, and I'm using the strainer so we don't have any lumps or small rice flour not mixed well. So again I fill up all that steamed taros in the pan. So we're going to steam for 25 minutes. So friend, let it start the steamer and put a timer and place it in the middle. So I'm just going to do the second layer, is the upper layer. So we just add in the same bowl is a all-purpose flour, corn flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. I'm just adding the coconut milk, and we need to beat until we get nice smooth paste. Now I'm adding the 1 egg. So this recipe we need to have an egg, so we have like a nice texture. It's like a smooth and creamy texture, so we need that egg for this recipe. So we just beat until we get nice paste. Now friends, I'm going to add that colors. So I choose my taro cake should be purple, so I don't have that purple color, but I mix with the red color and blue color what we have in the pantry, and we keep mixing until we find a nice purplish color. So we keep mix until we get nice yam purple color. It's so pretty. Now 25 minutes is done, so I'm in the same. I'm going to pour that second layer. I'm just strain it, the second layer, in the steaming pot. So in the pan we're going to pour it, and then we're going to steam for 25 minutes, friend. So now you can see it's already 25 minutes done, and it's fully cooked and smells so good. It's so delicious. It smells like a coconut creamy smell, and I just touched with my chopstick. Now it's completely cool. I let it set cool for 30 minutes. Now I just cut to small pieces, friends. It's so beautiful and tastes so yummy. The bottom layer is have like a nice chunk pieces of taro, and then the top is so creamy and so delight. It's not too sweet, it's just perfect and in the right. And I just decorate with some shredded coconuts. It's so pretty and it's so good. Look at this, friend. You can see the chunky pieces of the taro. It's fully cooked. It just melts in your mouth and so yummy. So friend, the taros again having huge benefit, and this is all about our channel. Like to promote all the good benefit of these root vegetables. So friends, this taro even is the anti-cancer properties, and it help you to lose weight, and it's good for your gut, and it's really easy for your digestion system. So friend, please consume this vegetable for your health benefit. I hope you enjoy this video. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.